Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
wabarakatuh, Sir.
Good morning everyone, and how about you, Raka?
Good,
Raka,
good
how
morning,
about you, Raka? Oh,
sir. I'm
Muhammad
very
Eldi?
fine, sir.
Good morning, Sir.
Oke,
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine,
Alhamdulillah.
Sir.
Alhamdulillah, saya juga ikut senang ya kalau kalian sehat. Karena di cuaca yang seperti ini, di tengah cuaca-cuaca yang sedang tidak mendukung. Oke, eh, today, today meeting is subject today for meeting is introducing myself, a self introduction reading text. Oke, di sini pada pertemuan kali ini di pagi hari yang cerah insya Allah, kami akan belajar tentang introducing myself, yaitu perkenalan diri, yang dimana ini membutuhkan skill reading kalian dalam bahasa Inggris. Oke, next slide please. Uh, for the next slide is learning objective. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to, the first one is analyze, comprehend detailed information and context within a self-introduction text. Kemudian ada identify, accurately extract specific facts, name, age, family, hobbies, and goals from the material. And the number three is vocabulary. Understand and correctly utilize new target vocabulary in daily context. And the last one is apply. Apply grammar. Formulate positive, negative, and interrogative sentences using the simple present tense. Oke, pada learning objective. Learning objective itu apa sih, teman-teman? Learning objective itu adalah tujuan pembelajaran. Jadi pada akhir pertemuan ini yang diharapkan saya sebagai guru untuk kalian adalah satu, kalian bisa menganalisa tentang teks atau konteks, tentang teks perkenalan ini, kemudian identify yaitu mengidentifikasi fakta-fakta yang spesifik seperti siapa namanya, berapa umurnya, keluarganya berapa, hobinya apa, dan cita-citanya apa pada materi ini. Kemudian ada vocabulary. Vocabulary ya ini kosakata. Jadi yang diharapkan adalah bertambahnya kosakata atau kata-kata baru bagi kalian. Kemudian yang terakhir ada apply grammar. Apply grammar di sini ya itu kalian bisa menggunakan grammar yang akan kita pelajari pada pertemuan pagi ini, yaitu simple present tense. Entah positif atau negatif atau interrogatif. Positif tuh seperti bisa, atau negatif itu tidak bisa. Kemudian interrogatif itu adalah pertanyaan. Oke, next slide. Okay, before we start the class, or before we jump into the material, before before we jump into the main material, let's warming up. Let's get started. Before we read, let's reflect on our own experiences. The first one, have you ever and introduce yourself in English to new friends? How did you feel? And the number two is, what essential information do you usually include to make a great first impression? And the number three, what is the biggest challenge you face when speaking about yourself? Uh, jadi sebelum kita masuk ke materi inti, saya ingin merefleksi diri kalian dulu agar tidak tegang ya teman-teman. Jadi di sini ada tiga pertanyaan. Saya ingin nomor satu dijawab oleh Muhammad Eldi. Mungkin bisa membantu saya.
Okay, sir. I can. For the question is, have you ever introduced yourself in English to new friends? How did you feel? And yes, I have. I usually feel a bit nervous and shy at the first, because I am afraid of making mistakes, but I also feel excited to make new friends, sir.
Okay, Muhammad LD. Good answer, Muhammad LD. And then for number two is Raka Bayu Aji, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Raka. What your answer, Raka?
I usually include my full name, my
Uh-huh.
nickname, where I am come from, my
Mm-hmm.
hobbies, and sometimes what I am currently studying, like to find common interests with them.
Iya, betul, betul. Hal-hal informasi-informasi yang informasi ketika kita perkenalan itu ya seperti itu ya, guys ya. Jadi kita nyebutin nama, nama panjang, terus kemudian nama panggilan kita, kemudian dari mana kita berasal, kemudian hobi kita tuh apa sih dan kemungkinan bisa dan juga yang terakhir kayak kita nih sedang sekolah di mana. Oke. Next slide please. Oke. This is key vocabulary slide, okay? Before we jump into the main material, I think you can maybe you can know this vocabulary. The first one is communicate, yaitu berkomunikasi artinya. Kemudian passionate, yang artinya penuh dengan gairah atau kayak passion gue nih ini nih kalau bahasa Indonesianya. Kemudian inspire, menginspirasi. Di sini ada selanjutnya bustling city yang agak asing didengar oleh kita, yaitu bustling city di sini artinya kota yang ramai. Kemudian juga ada vibrant city, kota yang semarak. Fascinating yaitu artinya menarik dan hardworking artinya kerja keras. And struggle mendapat kesulitan. Oke. Saya ingin Raka dan Muhammad Eldi menyalakan mic kalian berdua untuk mengikuti saya setelah saya ucap vocabulary ini. Oke, please Raka dan Muhammad Eldi turn on your mic.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Repeat after me ya. Communicate,
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 passionate,
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 inspire,
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 bustling city,
bustling city,
bustling city,
vibrant city,
vibrant
vibrant
city,
city,
fascinating,
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 hardworking,
hardworking,
hard work,
and the last is struggle.
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 Good job teman-teman. Terima kasih banyak sudah
Okay,
eh,
sir.
mengikuti apa yang sudah saya ucap. Oke. Kemudian next slide. Oke. Sekarang kita masuk kepada main material kita yaitu reading text. Meet Adelia Saraswati. Pada kali ini saya yang akan membaca ya. Saya akan baca dua kali. Kemudian nanti kalian juga akan saya suruh baca untuk teks selanjutnya. Nanti ada teks lagi untuk kalian berdua. Kalian perhatikan gimana saya membaca teks ini ya. Diperhatikan ya, Raka dan Muhammad Eldi. Oke, reading text meet Adelia Saraswati. Hello everyone, my full name is Adelia Saraswati, but my friends usually call me Adele. I am 16 years old and currently in the 11th grade at Garuda Senior High School. I live in the bustling city of Jakarta with my parents and my younger brother Bima, who is in junior high school. Living in such a vibrant city has made me appreciate meeting new people. Oke. Untuk yang kedua, Hello everyone, my full name is Adelia Saraswati, but my friends usually call me Adele. I am 16 years old and currently in the 11th grade at Garuda Senior High School. I live in the bustling city of Jakarta with my parents and my younger brother, Bima, who is in junior high school. Living in such a vibrant city has made me appreciate meeting new people. Oke, jadi kalian tuh kalau baca teks harus pelan-pelan dan harus dilihat tanda bacanya juga ya teman-teman agar apa yang kalian baca itu bisa tersampaikan kepada orang-orang yang mendengarnya. Oke, next slide please. Untuk slide ini saya minta Muhammad Eldi untuk membacanya 2 kali.
Okay, sir.
Oke, Muhammad Eldi, it's your turn. Can you
Okay.
read this reading text? Oke,
Okay, sir, I can.
twice ya.
Reading. Okay, twice. Okay, sir.
Oke,
Can I start, sir?
yes.
Okay. Reading text. Adelia's school life. At school, my absolute favorite subject is English. I find it fascinating because it allows me to communicate with people globally and understand different cultures. While I struggle a bit with physics, I always stay hardworking and attend extra tutoring to improve my grades.
Oke, Eldi, untuk yang pertama ini kamu kurang apa ya? Jangan terlalu buru-buru untuk baca teksnya ya. Coba diperhatikan lagi, pelan-pelan bacanya, carefully and clearly ya, Eldi. Can
Okay,
you read?
sir.
Ya, can you read it ya, Eldi? Clearly and ya clearly lah.
Okay, I'm ready, sir.
Oke,
At
thank you.
school, my absolute favorite subject is English.
Oke,
I find it fascinating because it allows me to communicate with people globally and understand different culture. While I struggle a bit with physics,
physics.
I always stay hardworking and attend extra tutoring to improve my grades. Is
Oke,
that correct, sir?
yes, absolutely
Oh,
correct,
okay,
Muhammad
sir.
LD. Clearly and helpful for the listener. Okay, next,
Okay, sir.
jump into the next reading text for Raka Bayu Aji. Reading text Adelia's hobbies and dream, and Raka Bayu Aji also read this text twice ya, twice time ya Raka, and clearly ya.
Oke, sir. Saya mulai ya.
Oke Raka, oke.
Outside of class, I am very active.
Mm-mm,
I love reading mystery novels, and I am the captain of our school's volleyball team.
mm-mm.
My ultimate dream is to become an English teacher. I want to inspire others to love this language as much as I do.
Wah, bagus Raka, kamu pronunciation-nya udah bagus Raka. Cuma kalau saran dari saya ada yang kurang nih Raka, kayak suara kamu tuh kayak kurang besar gitu Raka. Bisa diulang Raka?
Hmm,
Oke,
Oke, siap-siap.
agak
Saya
keras
lanjut ya.
suaranya, ya. Suaranya agak keras lagi ya Raka, coba diulang.
Oke. Outside
Baca,
of class.
Raka sorry, baca dari reading text-nya Raka, maaf.
Oke, siap, sir.
Oke.
Reading text. Adelia's hobbies and dream.
Mm-mm.
Outside of class, I am very active. I love reading mystery novels, and I am the captain of our school's volleyball team. My
Yes.
ultimate dream is to become an English teacher. I want to inspire others to love this language as much as I do.
Wah, bagus Raka. Ini yang saya pingin Raka. Jadi kalian tuh
Thank you, thank you.
ya thank you Raka. Jadi kalian itu kalau sudah bisa bahasa Inggris tuh harus pede ya. Jangan kayak apa ya pelan-pelan ngomongnya gitu. Kalian juga harus bangga dong bisa ngomong bahasa Inggris. Bangga berarti nanti kalian bisa dilihat keren sama orang-orang kalau bisa ngomong bahasa Inggris dengan baik dan benar dan jelas intonasinya. Oke, a good job for both of you ya. And the next slide, we jump into the practice. True or false? Read the statements below and decide whether they are true or false based on Adelia's text. Okay. For the question number one is Adelia's nickname is Adele. Is it true or false? Who wants to answer this question number
I
one?
am, sir.
First question. Okay, Muhammad LD. Can you
Adelia
help me?
next name is Adele. This
Ya.
is true, sir.
Oke,
True.
betul. Absolutely correct. What the reason for the answer number one is true?
The reason is in the text that we have read before, Adelia mentioned that her friend usually call her Adele. So Adelia nickname is Adele, sir.
Okay. Nah, nice answer. I think this is based on Adelia's text ya. Okay. Okay, nice. Next, number two. She lives in Jakarta with her older brother. Raka,
So,
maybe can you help
yeah,
me?
yeah.
Okay. What is your answer,
The,
Raka?
the answer is false, sir.
The answer is false. What is the
Yeah,
correct, Raka?
the reason is because Adelia lives with her parents and her younger
Hmm?
brothers named Bima, not an older brother.
Masya Allah, ini lengkap banget ini Raka jawabannya, Masya Allah Raka. Oke, thank you Raka Muhammad LD. Next, number three, physics is her favorite subject at school. Favorite subject for Adelia. Who wants to answer?
Saya sir.
Muhammad LD nih masih membara nih. Oke, Muhammad
False,
LD.
sir. False, false.
False, kenapa false? Kenapa coba false? Jawaban yang benar
Because
apa?
because Adele is absolutely favorite subject is an English, sir. She
Oh
actually
yes.
admit that she struggle a bit with physics. So that is not the right not his and not her favorite subject, ya.
Ya, benar. Karena di teksnya
This
itu si
is false,
Adelia itu
sir.
dapat kesusahan malah ya.
That yes, sir. She's so
Oke.
struggling.
Ya, betul Muhammad LD. Bagus nih, saya suka semangat-semangat yang membara seperti ini Muhammad LD. Thank you Muhammad LD. Kemudian number four is she is the captain of the school's volleyball team. Who wants to
Saya
answer?
mau jawab, sir. Lagi,
Raka,
sir.
oke Raka. What you
Uh,
answer?
the, the answer for number 4 is true.
True. What is the
Ya,
reason?
alasannya karena Adelia clearly states before that she is the captain of her school's
Ya,
volleyball
oke.
team.
Nice Raka, jawaban kamu benar. Terima kasih Raka. And the last question, who wants? Raise your hand. Raka or LD? Raise your
Saya
hand.
lagi, sir. Saya
Oke,
lagi.
LD. Read the question first and then your answer, Muhammad LD, please.
Her dream is number 5. Her dream
Yes,
is to
number
become
five.
a professional volleyball player.
Okay,
The
what your
answer
answer?
is false, sir.
And the
The
reason?
reason Adelia's ultimate dream is to become an English teacher, so she can
Oke.
inspire others to love the language as much as she does.
Masya Allah, give the applause for Muhammad LD. Raka, give the applause. Oke. Masya Allah, Muhammad LD. Oke, uh, next slide, please. Okay. And the for next slide is discussion questions. I have three questions for you guys. The first question is, what details does Adelia share about her family and where they live? And number two is, why does Adelia consider English to be her favorite subject? And the number three is, how does Adelia overcome her struggle with physics? One number one, one answer
Saya
number one.
sir nomor satu
Raka,
sir.
oke. Oke, Raka.
Di jawaban nomor satu tuh Adelia shares that she lives in the bustling city of Jakarta with her
Mhm.
parents and her younger brother Bima, who is currently in junior high school.
Oke, Raka, bagus jawaban kamu. Panjang dan sangat informatif sekali ya. Saya mau nanya nih, Raka, bustling city itu artinya apa sih? Tadi kan udah kita bahas tuh di key vocabulary.
Bustling city kayaknya ini deh, kota-kota yang ramai atau gimana? Sorry sir tadi agak
Bener.
nge-lag.
Bener, Raka, bener. Jawaban kamu bener, Raka. Masya Allah. Oke, thank you ya, Raka. Next, number two. I choose Muhammad LD deh. I choose Muhammad
Okay,
LD.
sir.
What you answer for number two, LD?
Number two, why does Adelia consider English to be her favorite subject?
Mm-mm.
Because she considers English to be her favorite subject.
Wait, wait. Mas Dev, Mas Dev. Mas, mood dulu, Mas. Mas, Mas LD, mood dulu, Mas. Si Depa nih. Nah, oke, ulang
Ulang,
ya.
ulang.
Gua dulu, Mas, yang ngomong ya. For the question number two is for Muhammad LD. I think, can you help me?
Okay, sir, I can help you. Number two,
Yes.
why does Adelia consider English to be her favorite subject?
Okay.
Because she considers English to be her favorite subject because she finds it fascinating.
Nah.
It allows her to communicate with people globally and understand different cultures, sir.
Wah, Masya Allah ya Muhammad LD. Berarti kalian berdua nih emang benar-benar menyimak pembelajaran saya kali ini ya. Saya mau nanya lagi nih ke Muhammad LD nih. Fascinating tuh artinya apa sih?
Menarik, sir.
Menarik, benar-benar. Thank you Muhammad LD. Oke, untuk nomor tiga, sepertinya saya aja yang jawab ya. How does Adelia overcome her struggle with physics? Jadi jawabannya itu, she overcomes her struggle with physics by staying hardworking and attending extra tutoring to improve her grades. Jadi dia apa ya, harus bekerja keras dan harus nambah tuh lihat-lihat tutorial tentang materi fisika untuk dia naik kelas. Oke, next slide please. Oke, sebelum kita oke untuk pada penutup, bukan penutup ya. Oke, untuk sebelum penutupan kita dapat sesi grammar simple present tense. Jadi di sini grammar simple present tense bisa menjadi positif, negatif, and interrogative. Jadi positif itu komposisinya adalah subject plus verb one plus s or es. For the example is, I live in Jakarta and she loves English. Oke, for the negative komposisinya adalah positif kok gitu. Oh, sorry guys, ini positif harusnya tandanya plus ya. Maaf sebelumnya. Oke, next negatif. Komposisi untuk negatif simple present tense yaitu subject plus do or does plus not plus verb one. Example, I do not struggle with art. Terus kemudian yang kedua, he does not play tennis. Oke, yang terakhir ada interrogatif yaitu kalimat tanya. Komposisinya untuk interrogatif adalah do atau does plus subject plus verb one. Example, do you live here? Kemudian ada Does she reads novels? Jadi does-nya itu di depan, dibalik, oke? Next slide, please. Oke, great job today. Terima kasih semuanya, kalian sangat-sangat memperhatikan pembelajaran kali ini. Thank you for participating and see you next meeting. Next slide, please. Oke, thank you yang besar. Presented by Abdillah Muakhid. Oke, terima kasih untuk teman-teman yang sudah hadir pada pertemuan kali ini dan saya ucapkan terima kasih banyak kepada kalian-kalian semua yang tetap memperhatikan pembelajaran saya dari minggu pertama, minggu kedua, minggu ketiga, dan minggu keempat, dan pada akhirnya minggu ini minggu kelima. Mungkin hanya 5 minggu saya bisa mengajar kalian dan mohon maaf apabila ada salah kata atau salah materi dan terima kasih banyak atas partisipasinya dan tetap terus belajar bahasa Inggris dan semangat terus. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Sir.